morning, guys, it is me, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime. If you're like somebody who just doesn't know how to make slime, but like a beginner and everybody's doing jiggly slime, foam slime, crunchy slime, everything, well, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this like fluffy slime, I guess you can say, and regular slime at the same time. So what you'll be needing for this is school glue and Elmer's. White or clear or glitter is good. You're going to be needing contact solution, and if you have this one, that's good, then you're going to be able to make a slime with this. Food coloring is optional, and I have my little, and a utensil you'll need. You're going to need something to mix it with, something to mix in. So I just got this little cup because I'm just make a little one for you guys. And you're going to be needing a container for this and shaving cream, which is optional. If you want fluffy slime, then this video is for you. But if you don't, you just want to make regular slime, that's good. It's a good okay. So what you're going to be starting off with first is just getting your glue in. And like I said, I'm going to use a little bit for you guys. So I'm going to unscroll this. So we're just going to add some in here. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so as you can see I have this much, and before you know it, if you add shaving cream, it will make it really fluffy and big. And then after that, you're going to be needing your food coloring, or if you have glitter or something like that, that's better, you can put that in. So I'm going to be making red. So I'm going to add only about 1 drop. So like that. And then you're going to want to mix that up. And then after that, so as you can see, you want it all mixed in. Oh, and if you have like a paper here, then that's even better. For you don't have to make your desk or wherever you're making your slime messy. And this is the right time to add your shaving cream. If you just want like normal slime, then just add your borax with water, contact solution, detergent. Just add anything you have to make it slime. But if you want fluffy slime, you're gonna get your shaving. You're gonna get your shaving cream or shaving foam, whichever one you want. So I have shaving foam. It's okay, And you're gonna wanna take off the top. And then you're going to add all that. Okay. We're going to mix that in. Oh gosh. You're going to have to mix that in really good. So I have a nice light red here, which is a really pretty color. I mean, it's kind of like a peachy color. Oh, I keep doing that. So right now this is how it's looking. Hopefully you guys can see. So just keep mixing that. And if you want more food coloring, add that as well. And just remember that food coloring is optional. So then after that, you're going to get your contact solution. And you're going to want to pour that in little by little because you don't want to add too much and make your slime like putty. So as you can see, mine is starting to come together. So I'm going to add a little bit more to make sure that I get it in correct. And you want to get the bottom in as well because you don't want it to be all gunky. And if you can, you have to, and then if you know it's ready when it doesn't stick to the whatever container you're using. So as you can see, mine is kind of done. So as you can see, mine's done and made fluffy slime. It feels really nice. It feels like a cool marshmallow or something you want to say. So that's how you make your fluffy slime. So this is nice. It's stretchy as well. And it makes poking noises. So mine means like a nice pink. On camera it looks a little lighter, but like real life right now it is looking good. Yee, I'm so happy I made this. So comment down below what you guys want me to do next. If it's slime, I'll be happy to do so to make more slime. If you want me to show you guys how to make just regular slime, I'm going to try to do the ones you want me to do. And here's a perfect swirl. Now just like that, and I'm going to collect. So let me just take it off there. Now I'm going to put it back in and just try to get the rest out because I want this to be clean. Oh. Got something stuck in there. So if you have like a little bit of glue and you just have a little bit of glue, or you want to use a little but you want a big batch of slime, I recommend using shaving cream or shaving foam. And then of course, you're going to be putting it in your container. Maybe we can make a little more. So how about we mix blue and pink together? I think I'm just gonna do red, so I'll be back when it's all done. Okay guys, so now I am done with the second batch that I made. Now we're gonna be mixing it with the other one, which is right here. So as you can see, I made more in this batch than in the first batch. So now we're just gonna do it. I'm trying to get a thumbnail, so I'm gonna go like, let's go. Ooh. So this is a really good slime, so I do recommend you guys making it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and please do not forget to subscribe and comment down below what you guys want me to do next. See ya!